Hello there, your blue hair subject coordinator is back. Those of you who don't know me, you can watch the super cool 2-minute video about me down here. Congratulations for successfully getting rid of Criminal Law and Procedure A. And welcome to Criminal Law and Procedure B. So what we're gonna learn in Crim B? Building on what we learned in Crim A, in Crim B we will examine some offenses, some defenses, and some rules relating to complexity and conspiracy, and some stuff about sentencing. So let's quickly review them. In the first 2 weeks, we will review my second favorite topic in this subject, drug law and policy. We will discuss why some drug offenses are criminalized. We will also discuss about harm minimization and decriminalizing some drug offenses. Good stuff in general. And next, we will discuss interpreting statutory criminal offenses. The week after that, we have my most favorite topic in this subject, public order offenses. So we'll talk about offensive behavior in public, such as offensive language. In that session, technically, we're gonna use lots of F words. Next, we have property offenses, including larceny. Then for 2 weeks, we will discuss extending criminal liability, which is about extending criminal liability to other people, like a group of people. So imagine a bunch of people agree on committing an offense. Only one of them commits the physical part of that offense. Then we may find all of them guilty of that offense. And that's how you extend criminal liability of one person to the whole group. We will also discuss when an agreement to commit a crime before they actually commit it can be an offense, such as conspiracy. Next in line, we have defenses. Defenses are cool, but a bit difficult. The defenses that we will discuss include mental health impairment and cognitive impairment. You probably know it as insanity defense, automatism, excessive provocation, self-defense, and excessive self-defense. And finally, in the last 2 weeks, we will discuss sentencing. For instance, when we find someone guilty of an offense, how should we sentence them? And that concludes all the topics we will discuss in this subject. Your textbook for Crim B is same as Crim A. Alright then, let's talk about assessments. Assessments are kind of similar to Crim A. The first assessment is engagement or class participation. For your second assessment, you should write a research report on a topic. The assessment question will be released at the end of week 3 and your assessment is due on week 6. Further information will be provided in Moodle. You remember Meepo? He's working on the research report question. Your final assessment is the exam and we will talk about it later during the semester. Who are the people in this subject? I will be both lecturer and also, as you know, subject coordinator. We have a superb team of seminar leaders who I believe you already know some of them. And finally, the first year coordinator, Ryan. Generally, if you have any questions, your first point of contact is your seminar leader. If you have a question about the subject, please drop me an email. And if your question involves more than this subject, for instance, a couple of subjects, you should contact Ryan. And don't forget that many of your questions are answered on FAQs section on Moodle. I'm so happy that many of you found it useful and we had a very good number of visits. And well, that's it. Fingers crossed, we're gonna have a good semester.